Here they are, finally, the Rapz Audio U series wireless neckband made by Binotone. You must have heard of Binotone. They were in the market a few years back. I think way back in 1958 they used to make telephones. Now they're making earphones and speakers. Really nice. These are called the U1 neckbands. They come in this nice violet packaging, and at the back you have this semi-transparent covering. You can see the speakers inside and very beautifully packaged. What makes these special is that they have very big speakers. Basically, the driver sizes in these neckbands are big. That means you have some good HD sound quality and some boosted bass and 12 hours of playback, which is really good. And what makes these stand out is that you have this haptic motor in the neckband, which means in case you get a call, it's actually going to vibrate and notify you of a call. So that's really nice. That's an additional feature in this neckband. Before that, a big shout out to Rapz Audio for sending these over. So let's quickly go ahead and unbox this. I love the packaging. It's got this nice premium feel to it thanks to the colors used. Inside the box there's a user manual, small micro USB cable. Well, it's still using micro USB cable. It's a little disappointing, but anyways, the cable is about half a feet long. Also inside there's a basic user manual, has some basic instructions, a brief run through on the specs, Bluetooth 5.0, has a 130 mAh battery, 12 hours of music, the haptic feedback motor for call notification. Most neckbands come in similar kind of packaging. Also in the box you have some gorgeous red-tipped extra pair of ear gels. These are basically the larger sizes and smaller sizes in case you need them. The medium ones are already fitted on the speakers. So here's a closer look at the neckband. So that's a 3-button layout. You have a volume rocker, standard, and there's a call answer button which also doubles up as a power button. On the other end of the neckband there's nothing else, it's just a branding. So it just says Rapz. These neckbands are IPX5 rated, so you shouldn't have any problem with rains or water splashes. They do have magnetic suction though, and the force is pretty strong, so you just bring them together and they just lock on very hard. Coming back to the earbuds, like I mentioned earlier, they have big speakers in them, so they look bigger as well. And the reason for that is the 14.2mm drivers. So that's really good for bass. Just to give you a better compare of the Rapz Audio headbands, here's a compare with some of the most widely sold neckbands in India, the Realme Buds and the MI neckband. The difference is visible, right? Battery backup is much better than the rest. There's also a bigger driver size and the cost. So the price difference is the major factor here. This one costs just about 1,300 bucks. And the vibration motor for notification. That's a big differentiator. There's also a micro USB charging slot which is covered by a small flap. I really wish these were USB-C. Most phones today come with USB-C. The 130 mAh battery will charge in about 1.5 hours on a normal charger. So there's no quick charging on this device. Okay, let's go ahead and turn the neckband. There's an LED indicator. There's also a microphone slot next to it. Basically, the lights flash blue and red when you're in pairing mode. And once you pair it with the phone, it just constantly glows into blue. And that's it. So let's go ahead and try these. Yeah, so these are recorded from the U series Rapz Audio. And you can see that I'm walking around in the open. So the mic's actually used from the headband itself, right? So the neckband has a single microphone on the left side, and the controls are also on the left side, as you can see. The speakers really fit well, so they don't fall off, the earbuds don't fall off. If you ask me how they sound, the bass is really punchy. Okay, if you like bass, these are the neckbands you should go for. I should say that The sound quality is really good given the price. So all in all, it's a good pair of neckbands for the price you pay, with about 12 hours of music time and a decent mic. I definitely recommend the Rapz Audio U series headband. And one of the features which I really want to call out is the vibration in the neckband. So if you get a call, the whole thing vibrates, so you kind of get this notification. I know some of the new headphones have that, but this one's got it too, so that's really nice. So an added feature, right? So all in all, a great buy, Rapz Audio U series. So these look good, fit well, sound good. What else do you need a neckband earphones? I'll leave links in the description below in case you're interested to buy. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button as well. And share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and stay safe. See ya.